In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Udemy course quickly and easily. If you've completed a great lesson or found something worth recommending, sharing it takes only a moment. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Udemy. Once the home page loads, log into your account using your email and password or sign in through single sign-on if your organization supports it. After logging in, head to your course library and open the course you'd like to share. When the course page loads, look toward the top right corner. You'll see a small share icon designed for this exact purpose. Click it and a sharing panel will appear with multiple options. You can copy the direct link and send it to anyone through text chat or any document you're preparing. If you'd rather share through social platforms, Udemy makes it simple with built-in options for Facebook, X, or email. Just choose the platform, follow the prompts, and send the course to your friends, team, or audience. Adding a personal note can make your recommendation even more meaningful. And that's all it takes. With just a few clicks, you can share helpful courses with anyone who might benefit from them. Thanks for watching and happy learning.